Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 error code 0x8007000D. This error usually happens when installing updates or using the Windows Store. We will fix it using 5 methods: running Windows Update Troubleshooter, clearing the update cache, reviewing system files, resetting the Microsoft Store, and performing a manual update. Let's get started. Press Windows I to open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, and click on Other Troubleshooters. Windows will automatically detect and fix problems with the update service. Restart your PC and try the update again. Second method clears the Windows Update cache manually. Press Windows R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find the Windows Update service and Background Intelligent Transfer service. Right-click each and select Stop. Now open File Explorer and navigate to C, Windows Software Distribution. Delete all files and folders inside this folder. Return to Services, right-click the 2 services again and select Start. Restart your PC and check if the error is fixed. Third method, repair corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type SFC/scan now and press Enter. Wait for it to reach 100%. This scan repairs any damaging system files. If it finds files that cannot be fixed, run this command nextdismay/online/cleanup/image/restore health. After it completes, restart your computer. Fourth method, reset the Microsoft Store if the error appears when downloading or updating apps. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, find Microsoft Store, click the 3 dots beside it, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Reset, then Confirm. You can also run wasreset.exe from the Run dialog to clear the store cache. After that, open Microsoft Store and try downloading or updating again. Fifth method, update Windows manually. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website and search for the KB number of updates that failed. Download the correct version for your system and run the installer manually. This bypasses Windows Update and often fixes this error. After trying all these methods, Windows 11 updates and apps should install normally. Again, always make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough free space on your system drive before running updates. That's it for this video. If it helped you fix the problem, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows 11 fixes, and leave a comment if you still face any issues. See you in the next video.